Imagine you've just welcomed a new sales rep onto your team. They're eager and full of potential, but how do you quickly turn that enthusiasm into real performance? Effective sales onboarding is the key. It's like giving your new hires a roadmap that equips them to succeed. Companies with strong onboarding programs see productivity increase by 50%, so it's worth doing it right. Start with a clear plan, your blueprint for success. Answer their questions, and share valuable insights. Learning shouldn't be one-dimensional. Combine classroom sessions, e-learning, role-playing, and hands-on experience. This variety ensures that new reps not only absorb the information but can apply it confidently. Encourage them to learn from their peers, because collaboration often leads to the best insights and quickest growth. And don't forget the tools. Proficiency with CRM systems and sales tech is crucial for staying efficient and effective. By following these best practices, your new sales reps will be well equipped to hit the ground running and start contributing to your team's success. But remember, onboarding is just the first step. Continue to support and develop your reps as they grow. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.